Hi everyone, welcome to the Moravian Historical Society in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. We're sorry that we're not going to see you in person this year, but we certainly look forward to welcoming you next year in person. In the meantime, we have some fabulous musical instruments that we'd like to share with you today. So we pulled out some of our favorite instruments from our collection for you to see today. We'll start with the trombone here that is thought to be one of the earliest trombones in North America. Of course, the Antes violin, thought to have been the first violin made in colonial America. A Gutter clarinet, and of course a Martin guitar made right here in Nazareth, circa 1840, 1850. We hope that when you visit next year that you will take the time to tour Martin guitar. Recent research has brought this upright piano to our attention. It's believed to be the oldest extant piano made in America. A great outcome of this project is that the researchers also built a replica, a reproduction of the instrument, and so now we'll know what the instrument would have sounded like.
Hello, my name is Barry Pell. I'm a volunteer with Historic Bethlehem Museums and Sites. We're standing in front of the 1762 waterworks. It was the first example of the first pumped water system to a town in the Americas. It wasn't until 40 years later that anything else was like that in the Americas. The building was restored in the 1970s and is one of many buildings that are down here on the colonial industrial quarter. This area was extremely active in the colonial era. This was when the Moravians first started building their town. Within 5 years, they had over 30 industries and crafts, all largely in this area near the Monocacy Creek. In one way, you consider this to be like the first industrial zone. And over the years, the Moravians used this as a way of financing their ministries and missions. We are in the Saal of the Bethlehem Moravian Gemein House. The Gemein House, meaning community house, was the first main building in Bethlehem that had everything. Slept up in the attic, ate down in the lower levels, had their classes and health care within this building. We are in the music room of the Moravian Museum, and here we explain how important the making of music and the making of instruments was to the early Bethlehem community. We have examples of those types of instruments, and in particular, the trombones, which became very popular in the 1750s, a perfect time for the Moravians. When you come to Bethlehem, you can tour the area on your own, look at the buildings and see the various information plaques out in front, or you can go on the website of historicbethlehem.org, download an app, and take your own tour along the Heritage Trail. Also, Historic Bethlehem offers tours, in-person tours, walking tours around this area and other areas of Bethlehem.
For much of the 20th century, the Bethlehem Steel Corporation was one of the world's largest steel producing and shipbuilding companies. While the steel is no longer operating, many of its structures still stand, becoming a must-see part of any visit to Bethlehem. Visitors can get up close to this impressive history along the Hoover Mason Trestle, a public 46-foot-high walkway designed to be part museum, part community recreation resource, and part attraction. You can also visit the National Museum of Industrial History, housed in the Steel's former electrical shop, dedicated to preserving America's rich industrial heritage. This Smithsonian affiliate is home to exciting exhibits, engaging programs, and amazing history.
So we're going to face the audience and we're going to talk and sing really, really loud so they can hear us, and we're going to smile. Hi everybody, I'm Sarah. I'm the director and the playwright of ACTS, which is the youth musical theater production for the music festival.
And I'm Myra, and we will have fun activities in the afternoon after all our hard work, which will probably include ice cream and water play.
Ice cream, yes.
Yes.
We'll see you next year in Bethlehem. We can't wait to see you. Bye guys.
Bye.
Hi, we look forward to seeing you here next summer at Central, and we hope you can join us, whether singing or joining me with the band or in fellowship. We hope to see you and have you come to the festival in 2022.